Hello, welcome to this video. I'm excited you are there and watching right now. I'm sure you've had a free copy of my book on cryptocurrencies for Cameroon, and you have also watched those other videos that I've published in this the account area. If you're watching on YouTube, I want you to know that there are videos somewhere, and if you're watching in the account, I want to appreciate you for being a premium member on my platform. Now, in the first video, there were 5 coins, all right, 5 coins that I presented and exactly showing you how to invest. How if you invested $500, you would be having 2,000 in more percent profit today. And I've also have made a list of 10 other cryptocurrencies that you can invest in. As a matter of fact, there are over 2,000 cryptocurrencies, so you have to start from somewhere. So I know the question is, especially for those of us that are just starting, how do I begin? How do I start? How do I invest in these cryptocurrencies? You've seen them, you're very excited, and if not watched that video, I encourage you watch that video on how $500 brought in $10,600. Someone who invested following the steps that I present in that video. So I encourage you watch it. So now what next is, how do I really invest? You've seen those cryptocurrencies, you've seen them, they're actually trading on exchanges. How do you buy? That's what we're looking at in this video. So don't go away, I'll be right back. Welcome back. So how do you begin? How do you start? Now you have a list of cryptocurrencies you want to invest in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or even more. How to use that? It is very simple. The first thing you should do is to get Bitcoin. All right, you have your CFA, or you have your dollars, you have your local currency. You want to invest in cryptocurrency. The first thing you should do is to buy Bitcoin. The reason is that Bitcoin is the master of the game. Bitcoin is the entry cryptocurrency into the cryptocurrency industry. If you want to buy other coins, you will always have to go through Bitcoin. So the first thing is you have to buy Bitcoin. Now in Cameroon, there are Bitcoin vendors everywhere. You can always get somebody to sell Bitcoin to you. If you really don't have somebody, you can contact me and I'll probably get a Bitcoin vendor that can supply Bitcoin to you. Now when you buy Bitcoin, you're going to have it sent to your wallet. Now if you read the book, you're certainly going to know what a wallet is, an external wallet. So you're going to have the Bitcoin seller send your Bitcoin to your external wallet, maybe on blockchain.info. That's the wallet I use. So once you've had a Bitcoin seller and you've bought your Bitcoins, and your Bitcoins have been sent to your Bitcoin wallet, the next thing is to move over to the marketplace where the coin in question is being traded. If it is Bitcoin, you have it already. You have it in your wallet, just keep holding. If it is Dash, for instance, we have Dash here. If it is Monero, if it is Cardano, if it is Binance, if it is IOTA, you have to go to the marketplace where these coins are traded. Okay, and this is how it's done. This is where you find the marketplace. Now we are going to this site, coinmarketcap.com. all right, remember we've seen this site before. We're going to this site, and here we have a list of the coins that are trading on different exchanges. If we want to buy Cardano, for instance, I'm going to go here. Or if you want to buy Monero, if you want to buy Tron, if you want to buy Dash, if you want to buy IOTA, Binance, Neo, Ethereum Classic, NEM, if you want to buy any of these coins, what you should do is, let's take Cardano for instance. We're going to click on the name of the coin here, and it is going to take us, just a minute. It's going to take us to a website or to a page where we have some other details about the coin here. So all these other details are not very important for now. What we do is we're going down to the area, to the tab markets. This is the marketplace where we're going to find the exchanges where this coin is being traded. So I'm going to go here, I'm going to click on this, and it's going to give me a list of exchanges here. These are what we call source. This is a list of exchanges and marketplaces where this coin Cardano, the ticker is ADA. Okay, ticker is ADA or ADA is the sticker to the coin we want to buy, Cardano, for instance. Right, so we have ZBG. It's on the top of the list because it is trading the highest volume, but unfortunately these asterisks are telling us that there's something wrong. Okay, there's something wrong with these coin, and so we have to, in my opinion, my personal opinion, avoid using this exchange for now because of these. Something not really right with these. Now I'm going to go to Binance, okay, because this is my favorite cryptocurrency exchange, Binance. So it is telling us here on Binance, okay, you can buy Cardano with BTC, and that's what we're going to do. You can also see Binance here has been traded with USDT. Okay, so if we go to Binance, we are going to be able to buy Cardano with our Bitcoin. We've bought our Bitcoin, all right, it is being held in our wallet. Well, another option is to go to the Binance, go to the exchange, sign up, and you grab your Bitcoin address on Binance and send straight to your vendor in order to avoid the middleman charges. Because if it sends to you and then you are sending to Binance, it means that you are the middle person, and you're going to, the system is going to have you charged at that level. So in order to avoid that, you're going to be go to Binance, create your account, you grab your Bitcoin address from Binance, and you send to your vendor. Okay, and your vendor is going to send straight to your Binance. All right, now I just brought up that point so that you should know that you have to first of all have Bitcoin in order to buy all the cryptocurrencies. Binance, Binance or Cardano, for instance. All right, so we are here on we've identified here that we can buy either on Binance. Okay, so what we do is to go over to Binance and create an account. Okay, and then once we've created a Binance account, we're going to generate a Bitcoin address, and then we send our Bitcoin from our address, from our wallet. Okay, or we're going to have our vendor send a Bitcoin from his wallet to our Binance. Okay, to our Binance account. So once we have it in our Binance account, we are now going to go ahead to buy the cryptocurrency. So I'm going to end it right now. In the next video, we're going to see exactly how that's done. We're going to go to Binance, we're going to create an account on Binance, we're going to have a Bitcoin sent to Binance, and we are going to actually buy on Binance. So thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.